Welcome back to Quick Tech Tips. I'm Brandon with O'Brien Lexus of Peoria, and today I want to talk about something that a lot of people struggle with, but it's actually really easy, and that is the kick sensor. So, to use the kick sensor, there's a couple of things I want you to realize or notice. The first is to notice your position behind the car. What I mean by that is you want to be in the center, basically where the Lexus logo is. Another thing is to make sure you're not too close and too far away from the car, which is about an arm's length away. And then lastly, and most important, is just a regular kick underneath the bumper. Not a waving of your foot and not a long pause, but just a regular kick. And so I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So I have my keys, I'm lined up in the middle of the vehicle, I'm a normal distance away, and I do a regular kick, and I wait for it to open. Very, very simple. So using the kick sensor is very simple as long as you follow those steps. Have your keys, be in the middle, normal distance away, and a regular kick. For more tips, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and we'll catch you in the next video.